Now let's study some cyclic compounds. Cyclic compounds of carbon are also known as alicyclic compounds. Alright, so let's see how we will be naming them. Here, if there are 4 carbons and they all are connected with a single bond, we will be naming that as cyclobutane. So this is cyclobutane, and 5 carbon ring is cyclopentane if single bonded. If it is having one double bond, we will say cyclopentene. Here we have 4 carbons and there is a double bond. So we will name this as cyclobutene. So this is cyclobutene, 5 carbons, and we have a triple bond out here. So we will name this as cyclopentyne. So for single bond, ane, for double bond, ene, for triple bond, ine. And depending on number of carbons, we will name that cyclobutane, cyclobutene, cyclobutane. Similarly, for 5 carbons, cyclopentane, cyclopentene, cyclopentyne. 6 carbons, cyclohexane, cyclohexene, cyclohexine. Alright, depending on single, double, or triple. Right here, we have a cyclic ring of 5 carbons with a side chain. Here we will be taking this as the main chain and methyl will be side chain. So the name goes like this: 1-methyl cyclopentane. Alright, or you can mention one or you can skip one. Similarly, here you have ethyl and methyl. So which should get the lower number? Here we will decide depending on alphabetical order. So ethyl E comes first, then M for methyl. So we will give lower number to the ethyl group. So we will do numbering as this: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the name will go like this: 1-ethyl, 2-methyl cyclopentane. Alright, here you have 2 methyl groups and 1 ethyl. So guess, I'll give you a moment to think. So what the numbering should be? Should we start from ethyl or should we start from methyl? So I think you must have thought that numbering should be done from here, right? No, numbering has not been done from here. Why we are not doing numbering from here? The point is, if we start numbering from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what are the numbers you will get in case 1? The numbers you will get, positions will be 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3. And in case 2, if I remove this, in case 2, if I start numbering from methyls, carbon containing methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in case 2, the positions you get, positions are also called as locants. While numbering, we have to remember that we keep the locants low. Lowest locant rule is applied. So in this case, the numbers will be 1, 1, 3. So in the second case, then positions are 1, 1, 3. In case 1, we have positions 1, 3, 3. So I think you will agree with me that in the second case we are getting the lower positions or lowest locants we are getting. So the correct numbering is in the case 2. So numbering is correct in case 2. Now, while writing the name, we will always write prefixes or side chain names in alphabetical order. We do not bother about positions. We always write name in alphabetical order for more than one side chain. So here the name starts with ethyl. So 3 ethyl, 1, 1 dimethyl, and how many carbons we have? 6. So the name is cyclohexane. So 3 ethyl, 1, 1 dimethyl, cyclohexane is the name for this compound. Alright. So this is a very interesting problem we discuss. Similarly, you can go ahead and try these examples. I'm very sure that you would be able to write the names for these. For example, here we have a double bond in the ring. So we'll start numbering from the carbon containing double bond, because the priority while numbering is highest for functional group, then for double triple bond, then for side chain. Highest functional group, that means lowest number will be given to lowest number to functional group. If it is not present, lowest to double triple bond. If it is not present, lowest to side chains. Alright. So here you have OH. So you started numbering 1, 2, 3. So the open chain which has functional group is taken as the main chain, and this is taken as the side chain. So this is side chain and this is main chain. Here you have double bond over here. So open chain is main chain. In this example, you have open chain as main chain because number of carbons is more. Here you have more than one ring, then open chain is always main chain. Does not matter how many atoms are there in the open chain. Open chain always main chain when more than one ring present. Similarly here, the functional group is CN, and that is directly attached to the ring. So the special suffix is used, that is carbonitrile. So that is cyclohexane carbonitrile. So that is how you can write the names of these examples given and do some self practice. You will be happy to see that you are now able to write quite good number of correct names, right? So that is it for now. Thank you.